welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and having a nice day. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Narwhal and Octopus plushie. Both plushies have a little ice cream cone and cherry on their heads. I had made my plushies like galaxy colors such as purple, blue, pink, and teal, but you can make your plushies any color that you want, so be creative and have fun with it. As always, the templates for both of these plushies are completely free and you can find them down below in the description box. So you can go click on the link, print out the templates, and get started. If you like plushie tutorials like these, please be sure to go hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. Right now I have been uploading a video every other Wednesday, but I would love to get to a point where I can upload for you guys every week. Your support means everything to me and you have no idea how much I appreciate it. So thank you for clicking on this video and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to show you guys how to make the Narwhal plushie first, and then afterwards I will show you how to make the octopus plushie. I will be using black plastic safety eyes on my plushie in this video. I feel like I say this in like every single one of my videos, but I love using these on my plushies. I feel like it just brings them to life. But if you do not have black plastic safety eyes, have no fear, seriously, you don't need them. Just cut out 2 circles of black material and glue or sew those onto the plushie instead. After cutting out all the pieces, the first thing you're going to do is place the eyes, mouth, cheeks, ice cream, and flippers onto one of the body pieces, just so you can get an idea of where you want everything arranged on the plush. Then you're going to take a marker and make 2 dots where you want the eyes to be placed. Use scissors to cut small holes on each of these marks. Then you'll put the black plastic safety eye through the hole and press its backing on. Next, you're going to make a few stitches to attach the flipper onto the body piece as shown. Seriously, you don't need to worry about how messy these stitches may look. You will not see them when the plush is complete. You're going to sew another flipper piece onto the other body piece the exact same way. The only difference is that you'll be sewing the flipper onto a different location. After sewing one flipper piece to each body piece, you will use the blanket stitch to finish sewing the flippers together. If you're unfamiliar with the blanket stitch, don't worry, it is a really easy stitch to learn, and I will link my blanket stitch tutorial somewhere on the screen for you to go check out. I recommend using thread that matches the same color as the narwhal. So since I'm making a teal narwhal, I'm going to be using teal thread. Before sewing the flippers shut, remember to fill them up with stuffing. Next, you will use the blanket stitch to sew the narwhal pieces together, and once again, make sure you fill it up with stuffing before sewing it closed. At this point, you can also add a piece of ribbon in between the plush if you would like to make it into a keychain or to be able to hang it up or anything like that. So at this point you can do that. I'll be adding a little piece of ribbon in between the plush I am sewing in this video. Another cute idea that I didn't try out is you could hot glue a magnet onto the back of the plush and you can make it into a magnet that you can, put on your refrigerator, or if you're still in school, you can hang it up in your locker. I'm using a wooden dowel to help fill up the tail with stuffing. When I had bought the bag of stuffing, it had come with this tool, which definitely comes in handy. But if you do not have one of these tools, it's not a problem, it's nothing to worry about. You can use a pencil or something similar to help push the stuffing into the tail portion of the plush. To make the ice cream cone, take the two tan pieces and sew them together using the blanket stitch. And again, remember to fill it with stuffing before sewing it closed. Use fabric glue to attach these little tan strips onto the ice cream cone, just to add a little bit more detail. To make the cherry, take the two red circles and sew them together with the green stem in between the plush. Again, you will use the blanket stitch, and remember to fill the plush with stuffing before sewing it closed. Then glue the ice cream, cheeks, and mouth onto the narwhal with fabric glue. And if you didn't use black plastic safety eyes, at this point you would also glue on the black circles as the eyes as well. Use hot glue to attach the ice cream cone and cherry onto the narwhal plushie. Lastly, use some fabric glue to attach sprinkles onto the plush. And after gluing on the sprinkles, you will be all done with your narwhal plushie. So now I'm going to show you how to make the octopus plushie. First, you're going to attach the black plastic safety eyes, and you're going to attach them the exact same way as previously shown. Next, you will attach the arms onto the octopus plushie. You will sew them onto the plush the exact same way you sewed the flippers onto the narwhal. After you finish sewing the arms onto the octopus plushie, you will sew the two body pieces together using the blanket stitch. And remember to fill the plush with stuffing before sewing it closed. Make another ice cream cone and cherry for the plushie. And lastly, glue everything onto the octopus plushie the same way you glued everything onto the narwhal plushie. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.